My injury in the Marine Corps, I took a 50-foot cliff fall where I broke my back and it left me paralyzed and in a wheelchair for a while. So what I do now is travel around as an ambassador for the Travis Mills Foundation. I'm also an ambassador for the Dogs for Our Brave. And we do motivational speaking and telling our stories just to be able to give back and be a part of that team. It drives me. These organizations are all nonprofits and they survive on fundraisers and people that want to help out. The Travis Mills Foundation is open to all recalibrated veterans that are 100% disabled. Travis is a buddy of mine, lost both arms and legs in Afghanistan, and opened a retreat for injured veterans, disabled veterans to come up there, and all expenses paid for a week. It's completely ADA. The volunteers come from all over the United States to help out. The Independence Fund goes over and above to make sure that life is a little bit easier. They hooked me up with Florida-Georgia Line and flew my wife and I down to Tampa to where they pulled us on stage and donated me a track chair. It's basically an amphibious wheelchair with tank tracks on it. So going outdoors is not a challenge that I have anymore. This thing goes anywhere and does anything. Dogs for Our Brave, which is a nonprofit organization to help catastrophically wounded veterans get service dogs to help them with their daily task. So one Saturday, I received a phone call from the executive director, and she told me, guess what, friend, you're getting a dog. This brought a whole new light into life. They send food to my house every month, all vet bills, pharmaceutical needs, any equipment that she might need for the life of the dog, they cover at no expense to us. Dogs for Our Brave is one of the greatest organizations, not only because I was able to be blessed with Zulu, but she's helped save my life. You know, she's a stability, mobility, PTSD, and retrieving. And she'll pick a credit card off the floor. You know, I drop my keys and my cell phone all the time. She picks them up. Having a service dog, plain and simple, it saves lives, because she's there beside you 24/7. She's got your back 24/7. My days have just gotten a lot easier because of what Dogs for Our Brave has done for me and what Zulu has done. She's absolutely one of my best friends. It's just, what she does is unreal. I've always, since my injury, I've had back issues. You know, I've had 5 major back surgeries, and I can't do stairs anymore, so we're looking to build a ranch. We're gonna build it all completely ADA. The Baird Brothers team, they said, we want to help. To us, you're a local hero, what you do and drive and helping all these other veterans. And we would love to be part of the project and come install my whole house, all the hardwood for free, and take the complete burden of that extra expense out. You know, the greatest people in the world step up and help, and I didn't know them from anybody. Everybody that showed up after hours, they worked 10, 12 hours a day and showed up at my new house. And not only will it be easy for me, it's be great in my wheelchair. You know, that family, that team up there, I can never thank them enough.